Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna see how even you can fix any iPhone stuck in recovery mode. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. Often it happens that while you're updating your iPhone to the latest software update, the iPhone might get stuck in recovery mode. And when there's no way around to bring the device out of recovery mode, then you should make use of the Reiboot software by Tenorshare, who are quite a known name for making user-friendly and efficient softwares that provide effective solutions to the problems related to iPhones and iPads. And talking about the software itself, the Reiboot software is the world's #1 tool that has been built to fix more than 150 various software-related problems easily and quickly. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once you install and run the software, that's how the homepage will look like, really very clean and minimal. Next up, go ahead by connecting the device to the PC so that the software recognizes it. In this video, we're gonna try fixing the problem using two ways. Once the software has recognized your device, click on Exit Recovery Mode, and doing that will restart the connected device and eventually bring back the device back to life. In case the previous way didn't work for you, you can make use of the Reiboot software. To start with it, from the homepage, click on Start. Next up, out of the two options, go with Standard Repair, as it won't cause any sort of data loss. Once you choose Standard Repair, the software will provide you with the firmware package that is needed to fix the problem. Just after the firmware package has been downloaded, tap on the Start Standard Repair button to let the software begin the process of repair. And in a matter of something around 10 minutes, the software will be done fixing the problem and the connected device will restart. And that's it. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.